Hi everybody, I am so excited to finally be able to share the flip through with you of my Mintay Photographer mini album. Now this I made with the photographer papers that I won as part of my March Facebook challenge win. So thank you to Mintay Papers for supplying all of the products for this project. I've also designed a chipboard album that's shaped like a camera for the project too. Now this album is matted to hold 56 photos. There is a full tutorial available for free on my YouTube channel. There is a playlist for it, so you can check my channel out for that. Now right off the bat, I have this lens cover. Hopefully you can see. It is dimensional here. It's about 1 inch thick. I have this is magnetized so that it opens up like this, like a lens cover, and then I do have stuff in there, and it is also dimensional. It's a little bit hard to see, I'm sure, on camera. Now, if you wanted to, you could, instead of putting her, you could put your own photo in that little photo frame behind her if you wanted to. I've got some pieces of the collection fussy cut on the front cover here, and I did a lot of fussy cutting for the pages in this album. So if you are a fan of fussy cutting, this is the album for you. This album is a magnetic closure over here on the side. So it opens up like this. And now this will actually lay pretty flat because that lens on the front cover. This is one of the die cut pieces here. I've used a lot of the die cuts and then the stickers that match the collection. Anywhere that you see a white photo mat, these actually will slide out. I'm not going to slide them out, but they do slide out. So parts of the frames are open for those photos to slide in and out. On the front of page 1, we've got some fussy cutting here. This is a frame. Again, these do come out. I do have some flowers in here just to give a little bit of extra dimension, but it's mostly just the Mintay papers. Now here we have another one of those photo frames. I've got a photo mat here with one of the cameras. Anything that is over top of the white photo mat is open for the photo to slide behind. This album has plenty of space for full 4x6 photos. So I have a photo booklet here, and it has room for 2 photos there. You could place another photo here on the back if you wanted to. Now in each of the pocket pages, there is a photo mat. They're all the same, so I'm not going to pull the rest of them out. They're all just plain, so you can place 2 4x6 photos, or you can place wallet-sized photos, a 4x4 photo, and journal, whatever you choose to do. For the back of page 2, I've got another one of those photo frames here. I have a small cut apart card that I've turned into a photo mat. It keeps this flap closed. This flap does have some dimension with some flowers here. It opens up, room for a photo, and again, anything that is on top is open. Then on the base of the page, I have a pocket with a large photo mat. For the front of page 2, we've got another one of those frames. I've got some of the flowers here. This is magnetized over here. It flips open, room for photos here, and then it flips out one more time, so there's room for another photo. Then on the back of the page, there is a pocket that has a large photo mat for a 4x6 photo. Now on the back side of the page, I have 2 photo frames here. I fussy cut from the collection. I've added just some layers of the ephemera, and then I have some flowers here. This opens up, room for 2 wallet-sized photo, and then a smaller photo in the photo frame. Then we have the large pocket on the page that has a photo booklet for 2 more photos, or 3 more if you place 1 or or more on the back of the booklet. For the front of page 3, I've got some flowers layered up here. This is another frame that's been fussy cut from the paper. It flips down, so there's room for a photo here. And then these both flip up, room for 2 wallet-sized photos there. And then in the center, we have a pocket with a full-size photo mat. On the back of the page, I have some flowers layered up here. This is a magnetic closure. It's the same exact piece that is on here, so it looks the same. This is a photo frame for a small photo, flips up for a wallet-sized photo, and then flips down for a wallet-sized photo, and then another smaller photo in that frame. Then on the back of the page, there is a large belly band that I have a card in for 2 4x6 photos, or a third or fourth one if you choose to place photos on the back side. Now for the front of page 4, I've got 2 more of those frames. I've got some flowers layered up here. This flips down, 2 more photos here. This is open, so everything will slide behind. And then here on the page, we have a large pocket with our large photo mat. Flipping over to the back side of the page, we have a photo mat here, or a frame with a smaller photo spot. This opens up. This is a band that allows you to place the photo down under it. The magnet is here because I don't like to place magnets underneath my photos, so I did put this band on there to be able to have the magnetic closure. And then this opens up again, room for 2 more photos. Then this is a cut apart card that I've turned into a small wallet-sized photo mat, holds this flap closed. Another photo spot here, and then a full-size photo mat in the pocket on the page. Then on the back side, unfortunately, this flower here, the stamen in the center, is staining this photo mat, so I'm either going to pull this off so that it doesn't stain, or have to put a piece of acetate on here so that it doesn't ruin that photo when there's a photo in there. There are 2 photo spots here. Again, you can pull these out. This one is open at the top, I believe, and I think this one's open at the side. And then these are all just flat on the page, so these are just some of the ephemera pieces and the stickers. So this is it for my Mintay Photographer camera-shaped mini album. Actually, I just saw something that I didn't cover, so I'm going to go back and cover that. I need to add 1 more piece of paper here to cover those magnets on my spine. Once that is on, this album will be complete. I would love to hear your comments of what you think of the album, and if you try the tutorial, I would love to see photos of your completed album. Now, the album cover itself, the chipboard cover, comes in 5 pieces. It is listed in the description box below. It is for sale on my website. If you are interested in purchasing this completed album, I will also be listing this album for sale. It is a one-of-a-kind. I will not be making more, so once it is sold, there will be no more unless you make one yourself. That will also be linked in the description box below. Again, a special thank you to Mintay Papers for providing such a wonderful prize pack, and I hope you look forward to additional tutorials in the future, as I will be continuing to make albums with the other paper collections that they have sent me. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.